In this video I'm going to show you how to download Legend of Heroes 3 Kingdoms on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game and download it without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The first step is to open your Google browser, and once you have done that, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now the next step is to locate this game on Steam first before you can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website. After that, go to the search bar and search for the game Legend of Heroes 3 Kingdoms. So select the game, scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game is currently €19.50. But we got a workaround, don't worry. So what you need to do is open the link in the video description. After that you will be redirected to this website. Now search for the same game, Legend of Heroes 3 Kingdoms, and search. Now what we need to do is select games on the left side. After that sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, this game is already available from €13.31 instead of €19.50. So that is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online and keeping it safe. The next step is to select the game, and once you are on that page you can buy this game for €13.71. Once you have done that, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a Steam account to download this game on your PC. And that is how you download Legend of Heroes 3 Kingdoms on your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!